Now it's finished. Just turn that off. Didn't turn out with the best quality. Maybe if I went a bit slower, it would have turned out a bit better. You can sort of see the shape. Let's try to peel that off. Peeled off. Yep, actually pretty well. So it's a bit of a quality issue. So I'm both slowing it down. You can't see most of the detail. You can see the sand on the front. You're both by slowing it down and also scaling up so you get a bit more definition and ability to see the fine details and probably make it a bit better. See, here it is, our newest print. It has sort of warped up a bit on the sides, but you can see there's a lot more resolution. You can see like the lollipop Santa thing on the roof. You can see not so much on this side, but on this side you can see the individual gaps between the pieces of chocolate. Let's see if this comes off. That is coming off not as easy as I would like, but it is coming off. Probably just the glue that's holding on. You can see none of the actual base plate has come off. Just to apply some glue on there where it's sort of come off. There's the bottom and glue, and it should just be able to wash that off. For some reason this feels a bit oily and greasy. I assume that's from melting the plastic. Some of the oils in it must have leached out or something. It didn't turn out too bad. There's not much detail on the sides of the light. Maybe if I went a bit slower I could have gotten a bit more detail out. Maybe if it was a bit hotter. But I think that is pretty good. You can get most of the key parts like the door, the little Santa, some of the stuff on the roof. Got the little doorway with the little steps. Overall that turned out quite well. I'll probably print some other things. I'll probably stick to now printing some more practical things that I've got this set up and working. So I'll leave this video here. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts, and if you should subscribe to miss any videos like this in the future.